I love that movie.
1.3, order of operations. Do you remember this right here? PEMDAS.
Nope. Yes, I remember PEMDAS.
What does it stand for?
Oh, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction.
Good. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now, can multiplication and division be interchangeable?
Yeah?
Yeah. Can addition and subtraction be interchangeable?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I don't have to do multiplication first and then division. I can switch them. Unless one is in parentheses, then I have to use parentheses first, okay? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, order of operations. Okay, so when I look at an equation, I have to follow order of operations. If you are plugging something into your calculator does not read order of operations. It is important that if you plug it in your calculator, you put parentheses where there are parentheses, you put exponents where there are exponents. Otherwise, it will not read it, okay? You have to physically do it, which really is why we should just do mental math in the first place and trust ourselves. Okay, we're going to start with a word problem, and see that American flag over there? What do you know about American flags?
As 50 states.
It has 50 stars.
50 stars representing the 50 states, yes. Okay, what about the stripes? What do you know about the stripes?
They're
Blood.
They're red.
There are 13.
White.
There are 13.
They stand for the 13 colonies.
They stand for the 13
I
colonies.
can't remember
Okay.
what they're called.
And there are 7, like, red, I think there are like 7 short ones and 8 long ones. I don't know. What makes 15? 7 and 8, right? There's 7 short ones and 8 long ones, okay? So we're going to pretend that we, they basically, whoops, okay. They made this American flag. In our book, there's a picture of it, but I don't want you to turn there because I don't want us to, like, see the answer. And there's a picture of the American flag, but it's all made out of flowers and plants, like it's in the ground. So we're going to talk about that. So here's the deal. There are about 2,000 plants in each of the 50 stars of the flower flag, okay? There are about 64,100 plants in each of the 7 short stripes, and 106,700 plants in each of the 6 long blue stripes. The blue region contains about 198,900 plants. Can you approximate the total number of plants by evaluating the expression? Timeout. Did anybody else get lost in there besides
Yes.
me? Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and underline things that look important, like numbers, okay? Because I don't need all that other stuff sometimes. Now, there are 2,000 plants, right?
Yes.
In what?
Each 50 states. So
50 states, okay? So I know I have 2,000 plants and I have 50 states, yes?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to take another color. There are about 64,100 plants in each of the what? 7 short stripes, okay? Then it says, and 106,700 plants in each of the what? How many?
6 long.
Yep, 6 long blue stripes, okay? I don't care what color they are, I don't care if they're in the stars, I don't care whatever, I just need to know numbers, okay? And then the last part says that the blue region contains about 198,900 plants. Can you approximate the total number of plants by evaluating the expression? And they give us the expression that represents this. 50 stars times 2,000 plants. Did we highlight that? Yeah. And we're going to add it to 7 short stripes times 64,100 plants in each of those. Then we're going to do 6 long stripes times 1,607. And then we're going to add 198,900 plants left because that's what's left in the blue region, okay? So, if we are doing this, what would be the order we need to do this in? Anybody have a guess?
I have a guess.
Okay, what?
Wouldn't multiplication go first?
Multiplication would go first. So let's start with multiplication. What's 50 times 2,000? That should be easy. You got lots of zeros there.
Oh.
10,000.
10,000?
No, 100,000?
No.
I'm not guessing. No.
100 million.
You gonna check for us?
It will be, let's see.
Yeah.
I think it would be
It's
like
100,000.
It's 100,000.
Yeah.
Yep, 100,000. So we have 100,000 plants there alone, yeah? Now, what do you think we need to do next?
we need to add,
Multiply
so
it.
multiply 7 times 64.
Good,
Thousand.
64,100. So multiply 7 times 64,100. What do we get?
Times 64.
7 times 64,100. What do you get? Grandma, you could try. You have a calculator?
What?
You better start bringing one.
448,000.
Yes, good. 448,700.
700.
Beautiful. Now, what do you think we need to do next?
Multiply 6 times 100.
Yes, multiply 6 times 106,700. So multiply 6 times 106,700.
64,200.
No, 640,200.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have it right, we just gotta translate it in our brains, right? And then we just have 198,900, right? There's no multiplication there. So now what are we gonna do?
Add.
Add, just simply add. So what did we get when we add 100,000 plus 448,700 plus 640,200 plus 198,900. What do we get?
138,780.
Yes, so 1,387,800 approximately. So in that flag that's built out of flowers, that's how many plants are in there. Approximately 1,387,800 plants. Can you believe that?
Nope.
Would you wanna take care of all those plants?
No.
Me either.
I'm
out.
die.
Right, I would be like,
We're gonna
well, that ain't getting water
flowers.
today.
We're gonna plant.
Okay.
We're gonna plant plants.
Order of operations, let's do some simple evaluating. What happens when I have 8 parentheses 17 minus 2.3?
You multiply the 8 with 17 and then you multiply the 8 with
No,
4.
parentheses first. Parentheses
I'm
first.
sorry, what's first?
Parentheses.
You good, you good,
I've
Caleb?
been doing this way too long.
Okay, you good?
Yes,
So
you
what's
have.
17 minus 2.3, people?
I don't know.
Well,
I'll
what's
do it.
17
I'll
minus 2?
17 minus 2.3
15.
is
What?
14.7.
Yes, so if you know 17 minus 2 is 15, and then you just take 10 minus 3, and that will give you your decimal place. So 17 minus 2.3 is
There's
14.7,
11.
right? Now, what do I have to do with that? I'm not done.
You have to multiply by 8.
Yeah, take 14.7, right?
Yeah.
Multiply by 8. What's 14.7 times 8?
117.6.
What?
No.
No.
8,
117.6.
14.7 equals 117.6.
Yep,
117.6.
That's literally
That's
what
what he said.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay, now, part B, I have 14 plus 6 over 12 minus 7. What do you do first?
you add.
Yeah, if I'm you, I would add the top and subtract the bottom first and then divide, right? That might make it easier. What's 14 plus 6?
10. 20.
20. What's 12 minus 7?
5.
5. What's 20 divided by 5?
4.
What?
4.
Who said 3?
4.
I said 4.
Okay.
That was you.
No, I said
I thought somebody said 3 for a second.
I said 4.
Okay. Now, what do we do down here? We have 5 times, and we have brackets. Do you know brackets?
So we're gonna
No,
add
no,
13
parentheses
by
of the
9.
parentheses.
Okay, we're gonna do parentheses first, like what's in here, and then we do brackets, then we work our way out to here.
Okay.
Okay? So, we start with parentheses first. So you're gonna have 5 bracket 36 minus, what's 13 plus 9?
22.
22. You guys are awesome. And what is 36 minus 22?
14.
14. And then what do I have to do? 5 times 14. And what do we get?
Shoot.
Shoot.
70.
That's not an answer.
I said 1 times 5. I said 9.
We get 70. Okay? Order of operations. Can we handle doing that? How do we feel?
Hopefully.
Okay? Do you see how much work I just showed you?
Yeah,
Do you see how much work you need to show me?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Oh no, work. So don't just plug it into that calculator and give me an answer. You get what I'm saying here? I
Yeah.
wanna see every step, okay? This last one had basically 3 steps that I did, okay? I wanna see every step. Now,
Okay.
if I'm evaluating when x equals 2 and y equals 5, what do I need to do first on the, A there? It says 4 parentheses x plus y equals what?
You do the parentheses first, but plug in the numbers.
Great, I need to substitute the numbers in first, because I can't add an x and y together, those are different letters. That would be silly. Okay, so I have 4 times 2 plus 5, yeah?
Yep.
Now what do I do?
Add 5 plus 2
No,
plus
you do the
5.
parentheses first.
Yeah, she's
Oh,
what she
five.
said.
Sorry.
That's what she's saying, you good.
You can
What's
chill
2
out
plus 5?
today.
Hey,
7.
Caleb, be nice.
Sorry.
And what's 7 times 4?
28.
28, oh my gosh, you guys' mental math is good.
I just use the calculator, I'm never too lazy to
I'm still trying to read this.
I know, you're good. I'll give you a second, and then we'll do the next one, because I need to pay attention for the next one. Okay, but do you see what I did? First, I wrote down the substitution, then I wrote down what I got as my answer in the parentheses, then I wrote down what I got together when I multiplied it, okay? Show me every step. On your test and quiz and homework, I don't want you missing points, especially on your tests and quizzes, because you didn't show me every step. Okay, I'm a little harsh on that. Because later in Algebra 2, you're gonna need to show me every step. They're gonna be 12 or 14 sometimes, you're gonna need to show me every step. So we need to get in practice of it.
This is pre-algebra.
This is
So
pre-algebra.
we're basically doing the same thing that they're doing.
The who?
Mrs. McCain's class.
Mrs. McCain's class is the same class as this one, yes.
Wait, but it's a step
I
higher.
think a little bit more further.
No, is it
No,
a step
they-
higher? Is it
They
a
have,
step higher?
your other 8th graders are in pre-algebra right now.
You still have a math book.
Okay, last one on part B. Will that last evaluate? I have 3 times x plus y squared, yes.
So you, change out the x and the y for
Beautiful.
2 plus 5.
Okay, so I'm gonna change out the x and y for 2 plus 5.
And then you add, 2 plus 5 is 7.
Okay, so I have 3 times 7 squared equals,
And then you
square
do 7 squared.
okay, what's 7 squared?
49.
49.
49, what's 49 times 3?
147.
You went ahead, didn't you?
Yeah, I already finished it before you guys started working on it.
Look at you.
I tried to.
I was bored, so I
The
was
90.
That's good, you're fine.
I'm
147.
bored.
Okay, look, do you see all the steps I just did?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna just keep pounding that into your head.
That
No.
sounds good.
Steps, 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 steps. Okay, word problem.
Boo!
Yeah.
Boo! Yeah.
You buy a pattern and enough material to make 2 pillows. The pattern costs $5. Each
Yay.
pillow requires $3.95 worth of fabric and a button that costs 75 cents. You wanna get fancy. So,
No.
find the total cost. Yeah, I need you to set me up an equation and solve it.
What?
Ooh, okay, this seems easy.
Okay, so let's start. Let's restart. The first sentence, does it have any information in it I need? You buy a pattern and enough material. Nope,
Wait.
don't need this. Okay. The pattern costs what?
$5.
$5. Okay. Each pillow requires what?
$3.95.
And how many pillows are there?
7.
There are 2 pillows.
2. I'm gonna put 2 here just to remind us there's 2. Okay. Worth of fabric and a button that costs.
75 cents.
And how many of those are there again?
2.
2. Find the total cost. So what do I need to take? Let's start with the first thing. What's the first amount of money we come to?
5.
$5. Then what?
$3.95.
Okay. But how many sets of $3.95 do I have?
2.
So $3.95.
Squared.
Square.
No, not squared.
Cube.
No.
Oh.
There are 2 of them.
Oh, wait, what is it?
Oh, 395 and 395.
Yes. So I'm going to just multiply $3.95 by 2. Okay, I'm not squaring it. I don't want exponential growth here. I just have normal growth, okay? So I have 2 times $3.95, yeah?
Yes.
Plus, this helps me get an order of operation going. See what they're doing to you here?
Oh.
Okay, and then how many buttons do I have?
75 times 2.
75 cents times 2. So I'm gonna keep it this way so I remember.
That's easier.
So once again, this just drops down for now. What is 2 times 3.95?
$7.9.
$7.90. And what is 0.75 times 2?
1.5.
$5.50.
$1.50, yeah. Now what can I do from here?
Add them all together.
Add them all together. So, I do $5 plus $7.90 plus $1.50, and what do we get?
14.40.
$14.40. It's gonna cost you $14.40 to make 2 pillows.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, because at the store, it'd probably cost a little bit more to buy 2 pillows, so if you're talented, why not?
No,
I, on the other hand, am not talented. This is where I pay people to do things for me, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, I
are-
don't even use the pillow. I
Oh
just
my
do
goodness.
this every time.